they think na itong impeachment trial will only last for like 2 months, a few months. Kayo po sa House bilang spokesperson ng prosecution team, ano po yung foresight po ninyo gaano po katagal o tatagal itong impeachment?
Well, as to the determination of how this impeachment trial will be concluded, that would entirely up to the determination of the Senate acting as an impeachment court, because they will be the one to set the dates and the days by which presentation of both sides of their testimonies of their witnesses and their evidences will be based on. No? So we entirely respect the decision of the court, but ang gusto lang natin ma-establish is that it will be given enough time for all the articles to be aired, to be explained to the public, because again, we are all stakeholders in this case, in this issue. No? Ang pinag-usapan natin dito, ang gaano katatag ang ating Constitution, gaano nagwi-withstand ang Constitution despite the political pressure, gaano nagwi-withstand ang Constitution despite the scare tactics that have been employed by different sectors in our society. It is actually a litmus test for us na masasabi natin that this democracy still works, and this is the perfect and democratic venue for both sides to air their complaint. So yun lang po yung pinaninindigan na substantial time to give both sides the proper, the adequate time for them to express and present their evidences. Because ultimately, the people wants to hear evidences, wants to see kung ano yung nilalaman itong mga allegations na ito. At sinabi naman kanina po ng ating expert dito, eh mas kinalin po yung mga supporters ng Vice President, gusto din po nila makita yung mga ebidensya. So it only means to say na ang buong bayan ay invested talaga dito. So whether or not it would be shorter than 2 months